Hi there, my name's Jake and I'm the Pharmacy Technician Supervisor here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital. Today I'm joined by Dr. McIntosh and I have just a few questions about cat dermatology that we're going to go over. First, Dr. McIntosh, what is cat dermatology?
Cat dermatology is the study of what happens with skin problems in kitties.
Can all veterinarians diagnose skin conditions in my cat, or do I need to see a specialist?
So at the beginning and when we first diagnose problems, we certainly want to see a general practitioner. We want to make sure that this isn't something that can be treated easily. If it's either not something that can be treated easily or it's going to be a recurring problem, then that's when we get into the dermatology or dermatologist.
Are there any skin conditions in cats that resolve on their own?
Not usually on their own completely. So if we've got a problem, we have to get rid of the underlying cause. So say we're talking about cats with fleas. Until or unless we get rid of the fleas, we're not going to get rid of the skin condition. So chances are, unless we take them out of the environment that's causing the problem or get rid of the thing that's causing the problem, we're just going to see a skin condition get worse until we fix it.
When do I need to see my veterinarian for my cat's skin condition?
Immediately. Cat skin problems, and cats are very, very good at hiding their issues. They're good at hiding pain. They're good at hiding discomfort. And a lot of times by the time we know that there's something going on with a kitty, it's been a really long time that they've been dealing with it, and it may change their behavior. It may change their quality of life, and it may change how they eat, how they drink, how they groom. And so a lot of times by the time we know there's a problem with a cat, it's been going on for a while. So the soonest that you notice that there's an issue, a behavior problem, a skin issue, or they're just acting weird or not acting themselves, always a reason to take your kitty into the vet and have them diagnosed so that we can figure out what the underlying cause is and how best to treat it.
Are there things I can do at home to help my cat avoid skin issues?
It really depends on what the skin problem is and what the underlying cause is. In cats, there are a lot of things out there over the counter that can actually make things a lot worse. They can actually have toxicities to a lot of dog products that we would say, hey, yeah, go use that on your dog. It's not going to cause a problem. That certainly we wouldn't tell you that to do that in cats, especially since they're grooming themselves a lot or grooming each other a lot. They can ingest a lot of the things that we want to put on them. So we have to be really super careful with trying to treat things at home. And again, usually by the time we notice there's an issue in cats, it's something that needs to be seen by a vet and something that needs to be taken care of there.
What should I expect from a cat dermatology exam?
So physical exam is the biggest thing. Looking at your cat, looking at the skin, looking to see what we feel and what we see and what we smell and where they might be losing hair, looking to see if we can find an underlying cause for the issue. So are we dealing with an external parasite that we can treat easily? Are we dealing with something in the environment? Are we dealing with a medical problem that this cat might have that's causing it to lick or chew or pull out its hair? Physical exam, and then trying to diagnose the problem, and then trying to figure out what the best way to treat is what you're going to see in a dermatology exam.
Thank you, Dr. McIntosh.
Thanks, Jake. If you have any questions about your cat's skin or problems they might be having, you can give us a call here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital, and we'd be happy to get them in, take a look, see a veterinarian, and see if we can diagnose and treat their issue.